So I conclude with Muhammad as a person who was guided by God to read the system, the language and systems of his creation, and pass that knowledge on to the hungry, thirsting minds or intellects of the people of his time, those who were in his immediate company, the people of Arabia, but he also reached out to Persia, Iran, called Iran now, and to Egypt and Ethiopia through Bilal, and those Ethiopians that later came to know about his mission during his lifetime, and even to Europe, all the way to Europe. He reached all the way to Europe. In his lifetime, he reached the intellects that far away. And thanks to Allah giving him to us in the world, that we really can benefit from Qur'an and really have Muhammad's life and his light with us at the same time. Not only the Qur'an, but we can have both the Qur'an and the light of Muhammad, who is the guide for us understanding the Qur'an and living the Qur'an as Allah our Creator intend for us to live it. We have that. And we should see him not just as a businessman, but we should see him as one that God gave mankind to lead us to global economics, a one world system that will be just and reach all people and give all people opportunity to grow in the reality that Allah created for all of us. This is a time, and it's going to improve. And these bad leaders who are selfish, who are getting in position over us with our votes, they get in position over us, and they really got in that position. They wanted to get there in the White House so that they'll be able to serve their private interests. And they used us and the power we gave them to serve their power interests, their private interests. Don't worry, don't let that burden you. Just keep, Allah says, I am a worker. So you work in your places. God is working all the time, creating new universes out there, and also supporting life that needs his help everywhere. Huh? Yes, he is. So you be a worker in your places. All of you shouldn't want to be Imam W Deen Mohammed. Some of you all should want to be the producer who's providing us with the household needs. Huh? With the garments and things and the clothing and the furniture and the appliances and things we need in our house. And some of us should be wanting to establish a financial system that will be owned by us and will help serve our financial needs. Huh? There are many avenues. So let us not neglect the many subul that we have, but let us all see the Sabilillah as that path on the horizontal plane that will save us from self-destruction if we give our heart too much to these private engagements or to this private interest. Huh? Let us stay on the path of God while working in our places and working the veins that we know how to work. Work those things and produce. We want to see great production. I don't know what Mr. Fraud had in his mind when he called us the fruit of Islam. But brothers, in the new light that I see and understand and walk by now, we can really be the fruit of Islam for the whole world. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Takbir, takbir, takbir.